Welcome back. Today I will show you how to enable app lock on Messenger in 2026 and keep your private conversation secure. This quick beginner-friendly tutorial uses simple steps to help protect your chat from unwanted access without any confusion or extra hassle. Now let's jump right in. First of all, unlock your phone, then open the Facebook Messenger application and make sure you are using the latest version of the app. After the app is open, look for the bottom right corner or top menu bar. Here you can find the 3-line hamburger menu icon. Once you found them, tap to open it. After this page, look for the settings option. Tap on it to open the Messenger settings. Once you are in the settings, scroll down a little. Here you can find the preferences section under the privacy and safety option. Simply click on them to open the page. After that, look for the security section under the app lock option. Tap on it. Right now, this unlock with biometrics option turn off by default. To activate it, simply tap on the toggle button, then verify to enter your fingerprint or face ID if it available or supported. Once you verify, you can automatically enable app lock on Messenger. After that, look for the lock screen section. Here you can see various pop-up options such as after I leave Messenger, 1 minute after leaving Messenger, 15 minutes after leaving Messenger, 1 hour after leaving Messenger. Choose the option if you like. For more security of the Messenger app, I recommend select after I leave Messenger. This means you can anytime leave it. If your Messenger app, simply try to open the app. This time, verify to first of all enter your fingerprint or password, then open it. And that's it, how you can easily activate or enable app lock on Messenger. Thanks for watching.